Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Hulu account privacy settings for safer profile. To connect your Hulu account privacy settings for safer profiles, start by opening the Hulu app or visiting the Hulu website on your device. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to access a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Account to enter your account settings. In the Account settings, look for the Privacy and Security section. Click on this section to explore your privacy options. Here, you will find various settings that can help safeguard your profile. First, review the profile privacy settings. You can choose to make your viewing history visible or private. To enhance privacy, consider turning off Allow others to see what you're watching. Next, scroll down to the Viewing Activity settings. This option lets you manage who can view your activity on Hulu. Select the preferred setting that aligns with your privacy preferences. After adjusting these settings, look for Profile Pin Lock. This feature allows you to secure your profile with a pin. To activate it, toggle the Profile Pin Lock to the On position. You will be prompted to create a 4-digit PIN. Enter your desired PIN and confirm it for security. Once you have set up the PIN, your profile will require it to access. Finally, review any additional settings and adjust them as needed. After you're satisfied with your privacy settings, click the Save button to apply the changes. Now your Hulu account is configured for safer profiles, giving you better control over your viewing experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.